For this final example, imagine seeing an ad while commuting and being able to order right there and then. Sounds pretty convenient, right? This is something already being done by Ikea in Thailand. Here you can see their billboard in a high-traffic train station, with QR codes assigned for each product. Scanning the QR code leads customers to a product page in Ikea's website, where they can proceed to check out and purchase the product. The customer didn't even need to go to the physical store. These are just examples of the things you can do with ChatGenie's smart retail solution.